We kick off our fourth qualification match with a note way out of the field on blue, and one on each, make that two on red, one in blue in the speakers. 7 seconds left and autonomous. All the robots are doing their jobs. 92-45 grabs a note, and they almost score it. 43-98 grabs one last second. It goes up and over. Red Thunder's grabbing a note from that blue side, trying to get it. They may have two. They're lining up to scores. Another note goes in that blue speaker by 66-37. 28-34 trying to grab a note from their blue-red source, as 71-96 grabs a note on the red side, moving over to that amp. A note lands on top of the speaker, on top of the stage. A note hits 43-98 as they're getting ready to amplify. Red is ready to amplify. Blue is ready to amplify. Both alliances just need a note up in that speaker. And blue is amplified. 71-66 lines up. They shoot it in. 92-45 stockpiling onto blue. 3 notes laying around in that red side. 28-34 bumping that stage as they go over. It's in. It's amplified on red. Over on blue, Red Thunder's lining up to put a note in the amp. Another note goes in the speaker on red and one over. They're making the most out of their amplification period as it comes to the end. 71-66 grabbing another note, thunderously putting it in that blue amp, a penalty on a red robot with some heavy defense in the middle of the field. Again, over on that red side, 92-45 trying to grab a speaker from their blue source as 43-98 tries to prevent them from leaving. 2 notes in the blue amp, they're ready to amplify. 2 notes in red, they're ready to amplify. Both alliances need a note. Blue gets a note in. That was amplified. They have about 5 seconds left to amp. 28-34 grabbing a midfield note. 66-37 trying to defend them. They line up, and it's a note in the blue speaker amplified. 43-98 popping one into center field. There's 30 seconds left in play. It's a close match here, 44-38. Red amplification cycle ends. We enter our endgame period with alliances still scoring. 1 in the blue speaker, 1 in the red amp. 66-37 lines up to climb on the blue side, followed by 28-34 on the red. Human players trying to make those high notes. That's 3 for red. 28-34 is up. Can they trap? They miss it by that much. 1 robot in the air on blue, 2 on red. For playoffs match number 4. Completing your first round of playoffs matches, we have scores for match 4. The Blue Alliance takes the lead. Alliance 6 moving into the upper bracket, with Alliance 3 moving into the lower bracket. We'll see Alliance 3 in match 6